Hi friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. I found a lot of good stuff again. It's funny because I just did a Dollar Tree haul that I'll link up here at the top in the corner. And I just said in that Dollar Tree haul, I haven't done a Dollar Tree in a really long time. And now it's like 2 in 2 weeks. So anyway, I went back to Dollar Tree and I found another little stack of goodies. So I thought I would go ahead and share them with you in a video. Alright, so I'll start with some basic householdy items. I found these cute little Slice and Ease Mrs. Fields little gadgets. I have no idea if these will work, but Mrs. Fields is a good brand, and we have a lot of cakes at my office because every time somebody has a birthday, we have a cake, and we are always like, oh, give me just a little slice, give me a little slice. So when I pull this out at work, and I'm always the one that cuts the cakes for some reason. Crystal, come cut the cake. So I don't know why, I'm just always that person. So I thought this would be funny to kind of pull this out and say, okay, I'm gonna cut the cake and everybody's gonna get this amount of cake. So that's why I got, and I actually got 2 of these because I'm the one that cuts the cake, but then there's a gentleman who actually bakes the cakes. And so he always bakes the cakes, I always cut the cakes. I don't know why, that's just how it ended up. So I thought I would give him one so he could have, because he makes really good cakes. I thought that would be cute to give him one. I've been buying these ultralight socks. They have like cushion in the bottom, and I've been having some problems with my feet lately. So yeah, I really like them. I like that they have like an airy at the top, like an airy, you can kind of see holes. And my shoes are gray, so it's hard to find gray socks that are just like all solid gray. So I went ahead and bought 2 of these. I have had these in the past, and I really like them. So I was happy to find gray ones. And then I like to have clean glasses, so I bought some glass cleaning stuff. Ooh, exciting stuff! Exciting stuff. Something that was exciting to me is I did find, if you checked out my last Dollar Tree haul, I was looking for some additional prayer boxes. I needed at least 1 more to give to my life group. Funny story, one of my life group members actually watches my videos, and I completely forgot that she watches my videos. So she commented on my last video, what prayer boxes am I going to get? So Kathy, if you're watching this one, you can also select from these 3. So I told her, you can pick which one you want because you watch my videos. So again, they have the little pad of paper and the pencil, and then each of them have a scripture. So I'll just open them so you can see what the little pad of paper looks like, and then the scripture inside. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, so now I have enough to give to each of my girls in my life group, plus I have 2 more extra ones. All right, and I bought a couple of little crafty things. So this little travel jars I'm going to be using actually for buttons. So I do little golden book junk journals, and I like to pull, when I have specific projects in mind, I pull the buttons out and then put them in little containers. So I thought these would be good little containers to kind of sort out the buttons that I want to use for each different project. So that's why I bought this. And then I just bought some ribbon. I just bought some of their spring ribbon, the little bunnies on it. And this one has little Easter eggs. And then this one's like a gray sheer. This isn't in the Easter section. It was in the regular floral section. But I bought some tissue paper. I really liked this tissue paper. And I love the floral and the bright, even that bright orange color. And then in my last Dollar Tree haul, I got the tissue paper that matches this bag, but I didn't actually, there was another bag, like a big bag with butterflies on it, but I didn't see that last time I went in there. So I just bought this one because I thought this one was really cute as well. It's like a little purse, and it's actually really wide. I don't know if you can tell, but it's super wide. And the other tissue paper, I bought 2 packs of tissue paper. Sorry, hold on. Oh, don't bend the wrong way. I bought 2 packs of tissue paper, one with this pattern, and then the other one had this pattern on it. so I can do like a mix. I just thought that was really cute. I should have probably brought more than one, but oh well. Okay, so going along with my stencil craze, I've been buying stencils a lot lately, and I found these ones. I've seen these ones in there before, and for some reason I've never picked them up, but I decided that I wanted to go ahead and pick them up this time, and it's really hard to tell what they are. Yeah, it's like super hard. It's not going to show up very good on this thing, but it's basically like this one is kind of like a love Valentine's Day kind of thing. So it says kiss, and then there's a heart with like a design on it. Maybe you can see it a little bit if I put my hand back there. And then there's like a key and a little locket and an XOXO with the heart, and then another heart. And then this one says love with the arrow and a heart through it. And then this one has like different types of kind of like nautical things. So this one is a ship and waves, and then it's got a lighthouse, and then a dolphin and an anchor and a palm trees with birds, and these are seashells. So I thought that would be cool for summertime. And then this one is butterflies. So this one's just all butterflies. This one has 3, and then there's like butterflies and flowers. And there's 2 butterflies on this one, and then another butterfly and flowers. So yeah, so this is basically just all butterflies. I bought some poster board. I like using these for different things. Most of the time I use them for like photos and stuff. So to like put down and then have a nice clean white surface to have a photo on. Purchased were these boxes. These are like big 11.5 by 12.5 boxes, and they're 2.5 inch deep. So they're just really big boxes. And I wish they were 12.5 by 12.5, because then they would fit a 12 by 12 paper pack. But they gypped us out that one. So we established that I have a sticker problem, okay? Just go with me, just, you know, sticker problem. I know I do, don't judge me. Pretty, I just love that. I was actually planning on doing kind of a bike theme, and I thought that would be really pretty to kind of play with that. And then this one, and I'm like, I have to have that one. And I think I actually have another one that's a garden theme from the Dollar Tree from like last year. So I'll have to pull that one out too, so I can use these 2 together. So I bought this Wonder Woman sticker pack. I have a plan for it, but it's not going to be until Halloween time. So yeah. So the first one's kind of cool because it has like all these puffy stickers on it. And then the next one has glitter stickers. And this one's have foil on the backing of them. And these are just the puffy stickers with the white outline. So I'll just put that away for Halloween. And then I was telling you guys that I am making a Cinderella and a Sleeping Beauty little golden book. And so I found this one. It has like both, it pretty much has, I thought it had Sleeping Beauty in it, but maybe it doesn't. But it definitely has this couple Cinderellas and a bunch of little stickers. Again, it's kind of the same thing with the different kinds. This one's different though. Oh, that's cool. So these are different. So Enchanted. So I bought those 2. And then I also bought this. This one has the Sleeping Beauty on there. So I bought this one for the Sleeping Beauty and the Cinderella stickers. I also bought one of these. I actually already have one of these, but I really like it. It's just, every time I see it, it just makes me happy. So I thought I would purchase another one just so if I ever want to do another theme or use these again somehow. I plan on doing a Happy Planner spread with these stickers. And then, of course, I had to buy wall art again. I don't know why I buy these all the time, but I just think, I mean, these floral images are so pretty, and I figured for springtime, I could definitely use them in either my journals or my planners. I don't think I'll be able to use this really long one, but, I mean, I really don't like the arrow. I like the floral more, so I might just fussy cut that out and just not worry about the arrow. So, and then I got, didn't mean to get 3 of these, but apparently I was really supposed to, actually looks like I got 4 of them. I really didn't mean to get 4 of them. I really did not mean to get 4 of them, but apparently I really needed to let go and let God. So yeah, I got 4 of them. But this is what the image looks like. And it seems a lot bigger on the thing. It's really, you know, it's only like maybe 4 or 5 inches tall. It's not that big, but it does fit really well in like journals and stuff like that. So apparently I got 4 of them. Let's see. Oh, I got another sticker. I have this sticker too. I got these little wall decal stickers. Planning on doing a Eastery theme in my planner, so I thought these would be cute in there. So yeah, so these were super cute. So I bought a couple of them. I just couldn't pass them up. So the lemon one is really super cute. It totally reminds me of Cheap Crafty Girl. If you are a Cheap Crafty Girl fan, you will know what I'm talking about. And I actually sent this to her via Instagram, but it never says that she reads them, so I have no idea if she reads them or not. But, and then this one is Stick to the Plan, little cactus theme. I thought that was cute. And then I just love this little deer image. Isn't that sweet? And then it just says at the top, be kind. And then the little cherries. Cherry pie at the bottom, and I'm planning on doing some like recipe type books, so I thought this would be cute to add a couple pages of that in there, as well as this one with the little cupcake at the bottom and all the little stuff at the top. And then this one says farm to table, and it's just really cute little image of the rooster. And I thought I would go ahead and maybe possibly use some of these even in my junk journal for this month. This little pouch, I had seen this before and just kind of passed it up, but I didn't pass it up this time, so I'm going to open this real quick. So basically what you get in here is washi tape, a little thing of stickers. There's 2 stickers in here. So these ones are like little hexagons. And then little reminder stickers, little flags. Don't know what these little half moon things are. I wonder what those stickers are for. And then just another sheet. These have little corners. And then some hole reinforcers. I thought those were kind of cute. And then it has a ruler, which I think is kind of, this is pretty cute actually. This little ruler with all the floral, and it's got little flamingo and pineapples on it. And then the cute little binder clips. I actually technically needed more binder clips, so I thought, oh, I'm gonna get some cute ones. So one has hearts on it, and then little polka dot ones. I'm gonna stick them up here in my little binder clip thingy. And then I got, then in here it also has little bow paper clips. So let's see what they look like. Yeah, super cute. I found this cute little magnet. It says real wood laser engraved, and it says be joyful always, and Ephesians 5:16. And joy is my word of the year. So I just thought this was really super cute and appropriate. So I'm gonna have to figure out where I can put this somewhere in my room. But yeah, that's really cute. I picked up a couple of more books. I found some more additional books. I found some more of these like learning books from Disney. Again, the whole theme of having, there's the Sleeping Beauty one. On the back it says Sleeping Beauty, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about that. But then there's Cinderella. Yeah, and then Cinderella again. I just said Sleeping Beauty, yeah, that's right. Cinderella again. So there's a couple of really cute ones in here. And then this one also has a couple of Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I think this one also has Peter Pan in it. So yeah, this one had the Peter Pan that I liked. But that would be cute. And it's Peter Pan on both sides, which I was really happy about. And I think that's the reason why I got this one. But yeah. But I'm sure I'll figure out other ways to use this. Like this page right here is pretty generic. So yeah, so that one. And then this one also had the different princesses in it. So it has one in here for Cinderella. And then it also, I'm pretty sure it also had Sleeping Beauty in here as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there's Sleeping Beauty. So for $1, I figured those would work good in my journals. And then I found this one, and so this one's, it's interesting because the paper is kind of like, almost like, kind of like newspaper paper. So I'm not really, I mean, it's not really, but it feels almost like it. So I'm not really happy with the paper text quality of this one, but it's got some pretty cool images in here. So yeah, I don't know. The rooster's cool. I like the squirrel on that side. So yeah. And then Silent Night holiday book. I got, there was some holiday ones in there as well. So yeah, these ones are really cool. Look at the horsey one. Didn't even notice that one. I love that one with all the food. Of course I would. Love that one. Again, don't feel like you necessarily need to color these, especially for a junk journal. You can kind of just stick them in there as decoration. So yeah, so I bought Silent Night, and then I also found a Peter Pan book, which I was pretty happy about, since I have that Peter Pan junk journal that I was telling you about. So I could just use this for like ephemera pieces and making tags. I thought would be a really cool tag. And then like cut out the little, this one's cool too. Make pockets and tucks out of this. And I think it's a 6x6, which I actually have a ruler that I just bought, so I could probably tell. So it's a little long than 6x6, so it's probably 8x8. And I have a really cool like punch that does 6x6 punches, like that makes a doily out of 6x6 paper. So I thought that would be cute too. I could probably pull a couple images and do a couple little doilies in here for that book. So that was my plan for that. And I think that is it. All right, that's all I purchased at my Dollar Tree yesterday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.